How to delete WhatsApp on iPhone. First, let's go to the home screen that has the WhatsApp. Now, if you can't find it on the home screen, then we swipe across and go into the app library. In here, type in WhatsApp. Once you find it, touch and hold onto that. And then we go down and tap on delete app. Then tap on delete to remove the app. Now, if you are on the home screen, so on the home screen here, touch and hold on WhatsApp, then tap on remove app. And from the home screen here, do not choose remove from home screen. Instead, select delete app, and this will permanently remove WhatsApp from your iPhone. Now tap on delete, and that's it. It is now removed for good. And if you want to use WhatsApp again, you will need to reinstall it from the App Store. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.